The stock market managed to tap into new highs during yesterday's trading session. Pro trader Jared Levy is standing by. Jared, this is a busy week with the Fed, big tech earnings, and the jobs report.
Well, okay, everybody's listened to the same thing, right? We know earnings are killer. The Mag 7, tech is booming. The S&P made 5 records last week. Woohoo, right? Everybody's excited. I get it, right? Okay, cool. So let's just back up for a second. Here's what I want. First, I'm curious to see this GDP report tomorrow. It's advanced. It gets revised a lot. I just want to know, like, hey, does anybody care? We just came out of a negative quarter of GDP growth. Like, nobody's talking about this. And again, it gets chalked up a lot. I'm just curious, expecting 2.5%. I'm wondering if that comes in a little bit light. So that's what I'm watching. Also, big Thursday and Friday, ADP jobs report, BLS report. PS, again, we had the first negative report in years for ADP last quarter. And both of these numbers, or last month, both of these numbers have been declining for 5 months. Does anybody care? I'm watching those. I want to see some major upside surprises, because if not, that whole theory about the labor market not doing well really starts to come into play. Now, the big news of this week is the Fed. Okay, fine. We know they're probably going to keep rates flat. I see that happening. I don't see any surprises there. And I will tell you this, as much as people think that Jerome Powell might acquiesce, that all this pressure, he looks like he's aged about a decade in the past year. All this pressure is coming down and he's going to give in. No way. He's going to make sure that people know that there is a clear separation between the Fed and the U.S. government politically.
What about the stock market, Jared? Record high after high, and now big tech earnings are coming out this week from Apple, Amazon, Meta, and Microsoft.
Obviously, earnings is key, guys. Please, if you've been in stocks that are taking off like Palantir, don't be afraid to take profits. All this crazy movement we're seeing, it's all right to take some profits, wait a little bit. There's a lot of sky-high names, so I just use some caution as we go into this week, but I'm still bullish.
Still running with the bulls. Thanks, Jared.